Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix lag and Wi-Fi error in Brawl Stars. Alright, so let's begin with the video. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection, whether you have stable internet connection or not. Launch any of the app that runs on internet other than Brawl Stars and check if it works or not. If it doesn't work, what you can do is open Wi-Fi settings. Click on the Wi-Fi that you are connected to and then click on Forgot this network. Give a fresh restart to your router, then rejoin it. Likewise, you can also switch the network if you're using Wi-Fi, switch it to cellular data, and in the case you are using cellular data, switch it to Wi-Fi. Once you do that, your problem might be fixed. Heading towards next solution, open the settings on your mobile device, scroll down until you find the option of apps, tap on that. Over here, you're going to find all the apps that are installed in your device. Here, find the Brawl Stars. Once you find it, open it. Now click on Storage option, and then here clear all the cache and also clear the data, and your problem might be fixed. Heading to next solution, you have to update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your Play Store. Now, search for the Brawl Stars. Once you get to this page, you'll find the option of Play or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to latest version. Once completion of update process, your problem will be fixed. If you still encounter the issue, what you can do is completely delete this app from a device and reinstall it. For that, long press on the app, click on the option of Uninstall, click on Uninstall, and with that, the app will be deleted from your device once completion of deletion process. Launch the App Store or Play Store, search for the app, and install it. By following these steps, your problem will be fixed. So that's basically how you can fix lag and Wi-Fi error in Brawl Stars. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.